Hi there, good morning. Well, as promised, this morning is going to be the second of the projects that I said. I'm going to try and make this one short and sweet because, well, as you know by now, I get so carried away when I'm really into something. Anyway, packaging is number one. There we go. It comes in this fabulous, it's a jiffy bag you might say, but look at it. You know exactly who you're getting your products from. MACIESKIN, alright, which is this morning's one. So MACIESKIN is an ultrasonic shovel. Comes in, can you see it? I hope so. Yeah. Comes in this lovely box, okay, and it is a beauty, the start to your beauty regime. It's a great little instrument, very, very nicely packed. Okay, there we go. You see? No lies. And it comes out very slim. Very sexy looking, actually. Okay, very slim. And in the box, as ever, you get your USB connection. Now, I did try it, and it does fit into an Apple iPhone. But if you don't have one, then it also fits into your computer, which is what I do. So when I'm doing something, I'll pop it into the computer, charge it, and then it's ready to go. So I'll put that back in. What I'm going to do now for a couple of, not even a minute, I'm going to read to you what it says, okay, the product information, or the product instruction. Now, this is an ultrasonic cleansing and beauty instrument using nanotechnology. Molecular 24,000 times per second jolt of intense friction. The vibration deep into the skin to intense friction between molecules, deep temperature, cellular metabolism, and accelerate microcirculation. Now this promotes metabolism of backflow through the transformation of the ion flow. Now basically, this is a deep massage through a high frequency. Now the vibration can improve the microcirculation during fat movement and make fat cells burn and lyse, don't know what that means, but lyse to metabolize products. Okay, it's another word for liaise, to metabolize products so as to achieve clean effect using a special shovel type probe, which is the one here. Excuse me for a second. Like I said, here we go. I haven't taken, I like to keep it when I'm showing it, the little plastic head, because otherwise, you know, it's easy to get cut. So that's your little plastic shovel. You can see it does look like a little plastic. Where am I going? Shovel. There we are. So what this does is you set it to your lifting, your moisturizing, and your cleansing on the little buttons here. And then what it does, simply you go upwards on your face, upwards to where you want it to go, and then you'll notice on those that the dirt, the blackheads, they're all coming off, and it leaves your skin feeling, oh, revitalized. This is the way I can explain it, and it's really great. This little gadget, okay, which comes from MACIESKIN, is amazing. You'll see it on Instagram, and I will give you the link for the website and the Instagram link where you can get, if you quote C Cozo 50%, you'll get 50% off. Can't get better than that. But what it does is amazing. Okay? In these days, like I said for yesterday's product, how many of us can actually now take time out? Go have a manicure, pedicure, go have a facial, plastic surgery, yuck. We can't, okay? Because we have to put food on the table. We have to live, we have to still look good, but we can't do it in an expensive way. I thoroughly believe in having safe products to use that do the same job, keep you safe, and there are no side effects, none whatsoever. I know about side effects because all my growing up life, okay, long time ago, but using creams I developed very sensitive skin, so as a youngster, all I could use was Johnson's baby lotion, which I used to remove my makeup, to moisturize. And then as I got a little bit older, I had a bad habit picking at my eyelashes. So I had to use olive oil to replenish them. So all natural things, okay? We don't need surgery. We don't need falsies. Falsies are nice, they can enhance, but you don't need them. Not if you use the right products. So, starting to use this, my skin, it really does feel clean. It feels taut, you know, and blackheads that we all get, especially when you have wrinkles as you get older. You can see everything so much clearer. And it's, oh, you look at yourself in the morning and you think, oh my God, I'm not going out. So that works. My skin is clear. I'm not afraid to show it up. My skin is clear. The only things that I have, which also it's removing, is the sun. I like to call them sun marks. Okay, yeah. Sky, it's discoloration, but they're going. I've only got a little bit here and a little bit there, and the rest are going even all over my neck. Don't just do your face. Remember, your neck is part of your head. Okay, so this little treasure is fantastic. If you go to the link on YouTube, I will give you, but first of all, it's on Instagram. Now, if you're following me on Instagram at ccozo 2019, you will see all of my stories on there, but the biggest one is going to be, go to this at MACIESKIN.official, and you'll see this. Okay, you see it, it's great, it's amazing. It's, to me, I trust something when it comes well packaged, when the company that it comes from is proud to brand themselves and not be afraid to show their name, like a lot of brands do during my brand ambassador promotions. So this to me was a great bonus, as well as the other product that I showed you yesterday. So fantastic. All right, something that we all need, something that we all want. MACIESKIN